You are watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. Today we are going to solve some algebraic expressions. There are two parts of this question. The first one is we are going to simplify this expression a square plus 2 under square root plus a square minus 2 under square root over a square plus 2 under square root and then minus a square minus 2 under square root. What we will do here, we will multiply this the denominator here in this expression and divide with the same, like we will multiply with a square plus 2 under square root plus a square minus 2 under square root and then divide with the same. So we have multiplied and divided the given expression by this expression. Now we will solve it. So that here we multiplied and here we divided. Now we will simplify it. The numerator is actually the square of a square plus 2 under square root, then a square 2 under square root, and then it is square, and the lower one is actually in the form of a formula which is actually this one, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Using this formula we have written down the denominator of this question. Now we will open the bracket which is there in the numerator by applying the formula a plus b squared. So a square plus 2 under square root and then square and then plus a square minus 2 under square root, it's square, and then 2 into, I have to remove this from here, 2 into square root of a square plus 2 and a squared minus 2. In the numerator, simply square root will cancel with square, so we will be left with a squared plus 2, and in the second one is a squared minus 2. In the numerator, again in the first term, square root will cancel with square, and the same will happen in the second term. Square root will cancel with square. If two square roots are multiplying with each other, they can be brought in under one square root, those two expressions. So here we can write like this: a squared plus 2 into a squared minus 2 over a squared plus 2, we'll open the bracket, minus a squared plus 2 here. A square cancels with a square, and on the top minus 2 cancels with minus 2. So a squared plus a squared is 2a squared. Within the bracket again we have the same situation, a plus b into a minus b is equal to minus b square. So we will write here square of a square and square of 2 over 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This 2 cancels with 4, so we are left with 2 here. So here there was a plus, I forgot to write. I'm really sorry, I have completely messed up here. It is 2a squared plus 2 into square of a squared minus 2 squared over 4. So we will be taking 2 common over here, and we will be left with a squared plus square of a square is a4 and square of 2 is 4 over 4. This 2 cancels with this 4 and we are left with 2. So our final answer is a squared plus a raised to power 4 minus 4 under square root over 2, and this is our answer. Now we move on to our second part of this question, which is 1 over a minus a squared minus x squared minus 1 over a plus a squared minus x squared. In this one, we will be taking LCM of both the fractions. So that will be a minus a squared minus x squared into a plus a squared minus x squared under square root. So in the numerator, in that case, we will be having a plus a squared minus x squared minus a minus a squared minus x squared. Let's solve it. In the numerator, again we have this formula. It looks like the following. This formula: a minus b into a plus b a square minus b square. So based on this formula we will write a squared minus x squared whole square, and in the numerator we'll open the brackets a plus a squared minus x squared minus a plus a squared minus x squared under square root. In the numerator this a cancels with a, and we will be left with 2 into a squared minus x squared over a squared minus square root will cancel with square, so we will be left with a squared minus x squared we will open the bracket in the denominator minus a squared plus x squared. A squared will cancel with a squared minus and plus, and our final answer is 2 into a squared minus x squared over x squared. That's all for now. Until the next time, please take care and bye.